homes to the brook and settlements down the valley. Today, nearly 100 nuns live on the premises, while 230 other nuns live in the monastic village. One of the houses in the village, said to have been built in the 7th century, is the venue for Romania's first living museum. Tourists can have their first peek here at what life is like in a monastery. For 3 days long, pilgrims can visit a monastic house, which is also inhabited. Sister Maria Gheoșanu tells us why they opened the museum, which is unique in Romania.
And last sensory telephone.
Sunt mai dragă de They're only about 75 more. Right now, the tape of Madonna
lies alongside the nuns. Actually, the pottery workshop
it is going to engulf
Nobody out there with a strong enough.
I guess the best example is if there's a
And comparing it.
your art. People are so hellish.
Great. So, Chris James, Patrick Rinn from
What I saw down. They don't communicate as well, so they don't give their own idea. What they see. Since it is unique and it's
at the time, 0 hours, 13 minutes, coordinated universal time.